In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use a coupon for the Amazon app or Amazon website, and this is actually very easy. The first step is to select a product that we want to buy. Then we need to scroll down on that product and click on Buy Now. And now we need to change the payment method to the coupon. We click on Pay With right here. And then you can actually see add a gift card, in this case a coupon. You will need to enable this and then enter in the code. After that, you have purchased the product with the coupon money. And yeah, if the coupon money was not enough, there will be an additional payment with your bank account, but you can use your coupon right here. And after the purchase, you also will be able to see how much coupon money you have left. For this, just click on account right here, then on account on the top. Now we click on manage gift card balance to see our coupon balance. And here we can actually see how much money we have left from our coupon. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I hope this video was useful to you. Bye.